Let's say you have lots of bills to pay. Your mortgage payment is due and you are behind with some of your bills. And right now you don't have enough money to come up with them, okay? And you are really, really stressed. And let's say you went to the store and you bought a ticket, lottery ticket, and you won that lottery ticket. Okay, so you, right now, after winning that lottery ticket, how do you feel? Are you worried about any of the things that you are behind with? Your mortgage payment, your bills? Are you worried for anything, or are you happy right now? Do you feel this relief inside you that, okay, I already have the money, even though that money did not even come in your hand yet? You have to first go to claim that money, and sometimes it may take a week or so, or 2 weeks. In these 2 weeks of time, are you going to be worried for your bills? No, right? Why not? Because you know that it's been taken care of, because you have that money coming in. So whenever you are going through something in your life, something like this, always know that God is taking care of everything that you need. Just give yourself that assurance that God is taking care of everything. I know that it is the most difficult thing to do, to have faith, okay? Because you are not seeing it. And if you are not seeing the money, then you don't want to believe that it could be possible. But that's where the faith comes. Faith means to believe in something that's not there. This is how you are changing your reality. Okay, in this dip that you are in, you are getting out of this reality and you are bringing yourself to the reality where you have that money, you have everything that you need. But first, you need to take yourself there vibrationally, because your energy creates vibration. And your vibration creates your reality. So if you are in that vibration, with that low energy, thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I have, my bills are due, my mortgage is coming due, and I don't have the money for it. So you are lowering your vibration and you are creating that reality that becomes true for you, that becomes real for you. But on the other hand, if you had that assurance in your heart that somehow the money is gonna come up, then you are taking yourself in a higher vibration and you are creating that reality, and that somehow will actually happen. Somehow you will be coming up with that money to pay for your bill. So have that faith in God that He's taking care of you, and do your part to do the things that you need to do to come up with that money, whether it's to go for that job or whatever that you need to do. Not begging or gambling though, since these are also negatives. You have that responsibility as well. You cannot just sit there and wait for someone to just give it to you. So you have to do your part and have faith in God that God will do the rest. Okay, so that's all. I hope you have a nice day. I love you all.